Steven? Buck and Bronk. That's what we do. We do Buck and Bronk too, so he'll hang on. Buck and Bronk. Hang on, Rhythm. Good boy. Woo, woo. What are you doing over there?
Find something? Yes, so.
He's saying, up, up. Here he comes, Steven. Dance, dance. Good boy, you moved away from somebody and did that. You're doing great with that.
Here he comes. Steven, Rhythm's on your back.
Oh, he's coming right this way.
Yeah. Somehow he's going to get to Mama.
Yeah. He might go over Steven. He's thinking about it. He's trying to figure out how to get over there. You don't know whether to do the back of the couch or your back. Oh, it's you. Fuck off.
Oh, dance.
Jizzy. Dance, dance, Jizzy. Good boy, Rhythm. That was badass. Good job. You're making it.
Thank you, Mama.
That's so great. I just want a bird that says fuck off now. That's used to work. Anybody comes in my office and just says fuck off.
Actually, what he's saying really is up, up.
Do what?
Up, up. He's saying up, up. But it always sounds like fuck off.
He's a pretty boy, Tiz. Hi.
Wow. Oh my God.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll.
Yeah.
Rock and roll.
Wow. He says rock and roll too. Rock and roll.
And that's laughing.
Yeah, rock and roll.
I wish I knew what he said when he said that.
He's saying lovey, 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 lovey.
Bang that head.
Really loud, really fast. Rock and roll. Wow.
Getting really carried away now. Fuck out.
It's okay, Macaw. You can go see Steven. Go see Steven. He's right there. You're okay.
Your mom going to your mom.
I know, that's what I'm worried about.
You're okay. You're okay.
You can have this ring. There you go, buddy. Not my finger.
Here you go.
My finger. Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah, it's an avenue to get where you want to go. Oh, he doesn't like that. No. You don't like titanium? You don't have any style word.
That's what you think. Marshmallow, marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Woo, wow.
Woo, wow.
Oh, there's one still left. Yep, there's that one.
Yeah, that's a pretty boy.
Oh, just that one.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's like what's on their feathers.
What are you doing?
Do what?
That's a sheep.
That's a sheep.
Oh.
And
That's
when their
like from their
feathers are coming
feathers.
in, they're in that.
Right.
And they have to